Imagine globe-trotting to your heart's content without spending a dime. Sounds like a dream? It's not. Welcome to the thrilling world of travel hacking. This isn't about finding loopholes or bending rules. It's about mastering an exciting game where the stakes are high, and the rewards, well, they're simply out of this world. We're talking about free flights, luxurious stays, and experiences that would make even the most seasoned travelers green with envy. Ready to decode the secrets of free travel? Buckle up and let's dive in. Our first secret weapon in this journey? Credit cards. But not just any plastic, we're talking about the VIPs of the card world. These aren't your run-of-the-mill credit cards. Oh no, these are the stars of the show, the ones that open the door to a treasure trove of travel rewards. Picture this. Free flights, luxury stays, and epic adventures, all thanks to the magic of travel credit cards. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Sign-up bonuses. These are your golden tickets to free travel. Many travel credit cards offer incredible sign-up bonuses, and often these bonuses are enough for a free flight or hotel stay right off the bat. It's like a welcome gift, and who doesn't love a free ride? So by playing your cards right, pun intended, you're already on the fast track to free travel. But remember, this is just the beginning of our journey. With the right credit card, you're already on the fast track to free travel. But the journey doesn't stop there. Now that you've got your magic plastic, it's time to play the points game. And trust me, it's more rewarding than any lottery. Our first tip to winning this game is to earn and redeem points strategically through everyday spending. Imagine this. Your morning coffee, that weekly grocery haul, even your monthly utility bills could all be racking up points for your next adventure. It's all about using your card smartly and watching those rewards pile up. Now, let's dive into the concept of award chart sweet spots. These are the hidden gems in reward programs that offer insane value for your points. Picture this. A round-trip flight to Europe for fewer points than a domestic flight. Sounds dreamy, right? It's possible if you know where to look. So folks, it's time to get strategic with your spending, explore those award charts, and start winning the points game. Master the points game, and you're inching closer to that dream vacation. Ready for the ultimate game changer? Enter the power of partnerships. In the thrilling world of travel hacking, partnerships are your secret weapon. They're like the secret handshake of the travel world, unlocking doors and opportunities that you may never have discovered alone. Many travel loyalty programs have partnerships with a multitude of companies, airlines, hotels, and even retail brands. Picture this. You buy your favorite brand of jeans and earn points that get you closer to that dream vacation. Or you stay at a partnered hotel and find yourself racking up air miles for your next adventure. These partnerships allow you to earn points faster and get access to exclusive perks that aren't available to everyone. It's like having a VIP backstage pass to the world of travel, with all the benefits and privileges that come with it. With partnerships, you've got a VIP backstage pass to the world of travel. We've covered a lot, and it can seem overwhelming. But here's our final tip: stay organized and keep your eyes on the prize. Travel hacking is like a high-stakes game of Tetris, where every block represents a different rewards program, promotion, or credit card offer. It's easy to lose track or get overwhelmed, but fear not. With a little organization and diligent tracking, you can keep on top of the game. Imagine having a well-maintained ledger or a neatly organized app where all your points, bonuses, and rewards are meticulously tracked. It's like having a treasure map where X marks the spot of your next free flight or luxurious hotel stay. We've embarked on a whirlwind journey today, from the magical world of credit cards to the thrilling arena of points games, the hidden gems of award charts, and the power of partnerships. The possibilities are as vast as the globe itself, and the rewards can take you to corners of the world you've only dreamed of. So, fellow adventurers, let's recap. Chase those sign-up bonuses, play the points game strategically, discover those award chart sweet spots, embrace partnerships, and above all, stay organized and keep your eyes on the prize. And there you have it, the keys to unlocking free travel. Use these secrets wisely, explore the world, and remember to travel responsibly. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Happy travel hacking!